Today is Friday, October the 9th, and it's Rachel's first time to have solid food. Wes has mixed up some rice, cereal, and milk for her, and we'll see how she likes it.
We will see.
It's her first time with the bib, too.
I think she's occupied by the bib.
You
Try
can
some cereal?
take the bib off of her.
Want to try that? Is that good? Is that good? Want to try some more? No, don't put your face in it. Here. Have the spoon. Look. Look.
Try and put it on the back of her tongue.
What do you think? What do you think?
She's grabbing for it.
Whoa.
I think she might like it.
Wait. Here it goes.
It's coming up her nose, isn't it? Rachel, make me laugh. I shake the camera.
Rachel. Here comes more. Oh, is that good? Yummy.
This is why we wear the bib.
You want more? Is that good?
Did you get something in her eye?
Yummy.
Is that good, big girl? Hi.
Alright, here we go. Here's more. You are a mess. You are a mess. Oh. Oh, look at you. You want more? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Seems to like it.
Do you want more?
Oh, it's on the carpet.
Yummy. Okay, sit back. I'll give you some more. Here we go. Here it comes. Yummy, yummy. You don't know quite how to close your mouth around that, do you? I don't know if any of it has gotten in her mouth. No, don't grab the bowl. Yum. Yums. Yums. Yums, yums. Yums, yums.
Is she swallowing any of it?
I don't really know. Close the mouth around it. Close the lips. You don't quite know how to close the lips, do you? You are a mess. She seems to like it, but don't know how to swallow it.
We need a little practice, don't we, big girl? Are you holding the bottom of the bib open down there?
Yes.
So that it can flow in. Yummy.
Do we like that? Oh, open the light for it. Okay, here we go. You are a mess. You are a mess. This is going to take some getting used to, huh? It's going to take some getting used to figure this out. Are you done?
It looks like she might be full. Well, maybe not. Okay, maybe a little more.
I think we're done. I think
All